Show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works. It's super insane, guys. So if you do want to
Hey, my little birds, do you play the game OneState RP? Well, today you will get OneState RP hack for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, I'm broke, but press this button and we can turn on free coins. So I'm going to turn it on right here and let's see if the coins start going up. So as you can see, they're not currently increasing, but hopefully, guys, it does start going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to max out and we're going to be good to go. So I'm hoping for a rise and let's see where it is. So no rise yet, but hopefully it comes. So there it is. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool. So yes, it actually works, guys. So let's go. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is drive to the browser. And in the browser, I want you to type matrixmods.com. So this is a modded website, really cool website. So on the site, of course, I can't spell it, so I put in Matrix, but let me just put it in right here. So anyway, guys, now we're just gonna type in OneState RP and it should come straight up. So as you can see, there it is. So press download, and then the next step is the verification. So this is the last step. You just gotta download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna give it a second to load up. And basically we just had to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, this is almost there. Additional files are required. So for instance, like Travel Town says reach level 9, Lucky Match says reach level 13. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be good to go. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully works. Also, if you press help, you can watch this video here. So that's cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get OneState RP hack for your device. Works on iOS and Android. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it if you guys like OneState RP, because this is wild, bro. So much money is pouring into my OneState RP account, I can't even begin to tell you. So yeah.